Hey, my hair lovers, welcome back to another episode of our Wig Transformation series. And in this episode, we'll be working on this gorgeous piano bob wig. So this is a double drawn piano bob wig. This is not a bone straight wig, mind you. It's just a normal double drawn wig, and we'll be transforming this wig in few minutes. So come along with me to do this. So you know how we do it. First thing is to put our heat protectant spray. After putting heat protectant spray, we are going to blow it out, which is what I'm doing right here. We are going to blow it out, and after blowing out, we are going to start working on it. So this is what the wig is looking like after blowing out. So now we have to go section by section. Mind you, working on a bob wig can be so stressful and tricky at the same time, especially at the back area, because those hair at the back are just too short to be packed up. So you have to pack it layer by layer for you to be able to work on the down parts of the bob wig. So just watch closely and see how I'm going to settle this issue of packing of bob wig. Was honestly, it can be so stressful, but I've already found my way around this, and it's not a problem for me anymore. Just for me to get enough pin to secure the hair while packing up section by section. So I have found and figured out packing it all up. So right now we are just going to start from the down part, and we are just going to start our straightening process. So right here I'm using my hot straightener to straighten it, and while straightening I am trying to bend my straightener downward because we are working on a bob wig. Yes, you want to bend your straightener downward, not upward, not straight, downward. That's what we want because this is a bob wig we are working on. We cannot afford to make it look, like a trash. So we have to take note of every details while working on this unit. So we go section by section, as you already know. While styling your hair, you go section by section. So this is the next section, and I'm just going to go around all the section till I get to the closure part. So I'm just going to allow you to watch this video. Grab your popcorn, sit back, and enjoy yourself, enjoy the view, and wait till I get to the closure part, to the ending part, because you don't want to miss out on this. So don't go anywhere, keep watching. As you're watching, please don't forget to like this video, click on the like, and also if you haven't subscribed, if this is your first time of coming across my video, please click on the subscribe button for more hair styling, installation, hair tips, and so on and so forth. Everything about hair is what you see on this channel. And also drop comments in the comment section. If you have questions, drop in the comment section. If you have suggestions, opinion, correction, I am open for everything. Please do well to drop them in the comment section, and I'll be there to reply all your messages. This hair is already giving. Look at that bounce. Look at that silkness. Just take a look at the strand. This is already coming out so well. So there's something I want to tell you, while straightening your hair, you have to go on the same hair multiple times. You have to straightening the same section you part out. You just have to go on with your straightener like 5, 6, 7 times, as much as you can, and you have to hard press your straightener. There's something you all are not getting when it comes to straightening your hair perfectly. You always feel like, oh, maybe you don't have the best straightener, or maybe even if you have the best straightener and you don't know how to use it, you are still going to get the same result. So how do you press how do you straighten your hair, all type of straight hair though, not just your bob, any hair you have to straighten it. How do you do it? When you are straightening, most of you just go once, twice, or maximum 3 times, and you feel that is, and you really want to get a result like this. No, you cannot get a result like this. You have to go on and on multiple times, 5 times, 6 times, as much as you can, until you yourself can see the strand, and then you will be good. So straightening your hair, you have to take your time. It's not something you want to rush to do. It's not something you want to be in a, you have to take your time. You have to be patient to get that perfect result you want. I hope you get, I hope you understand. And if you don't understand, let me know in the comments section so I can make a proper video, a full video, basically just on how to straightening your hair and how to handle your straightener. Now that we're at the closure part, there's nothing much to do, just straighten out the closure parts and just styling. So basically that's it. Why I asked you to wait is because I wanted to tell you how to use your straightener, which I did already. So I'm sure you want to see the full transformation of this hair, and don't go anywhere. Watch to the end, and don't just watch, make sure you click on the like button, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you drop a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you don't understand. So ask me any question, and also tell me anything you feel you want me to add or something. I am open for opinions. I am open for a lot of things. I am open for learning more and all of that. So just grab the comment section and I'll be there to reply all comments. With that being said, this is what we arrive at. Look at that gorgeousness. Look at that beauty. Look at those strands. Oh my goodness. This hair is giving, and it's just looking like a brand new hair. Tell me this hair is now worth a $500 unit. Oh my goodness. So bye.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do want to click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also drop a comment in the comment section. Don't forget, if this is your first time of seeing my video, let me know in the comment section so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Bye.